Okay, class. Today is my first day forever. Miss Martin, can you give me bathroom, please? Sure, but come back. But hurry up, come back, please. Okay, Rosie? Okay, Miss Martin. I am going to get your fire alarm back. Ha 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 ha. Holy crap, what's going on? Kit, class, we need to get out of here. But wait, you couldn't sit down, please. I am going to get your fire alarm, but as I go, it's been. Oh no, it's Miss Martin, and I'm busted. Rosie, did you report the fire alarm to the school? Tell me the truth right now. Mama. Yes, I will be fire alarm me be in school. Oh. Rosie, how dare you take your fire alarm for the school? That's it. I'm calling your parents right now. Hello, boys and doors. It's me, Miss Martin. Rosie killed me over in the fire alarm be doing in school. Can you please ground it for this? Thanks. Goodbye. Rosie. What the heck is wrong with you? Rosie, we're going home right now, you piece of crap. Oh. Rosie, how dare you go to school and be fire alarm? You know the school is be fire alarm is be crossing 100,000. We haven't been a news. That's it. You are grounded for 1 year. Go to your room right now. W-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A-A.